Hi guys, we're going to San Francisco. Mag-commute muna kami with Raiju. Hey, baho? Pindot tayo. Mana? Pindot tayo. Asa dali? Sa platform. Ang baho ng elevator nila guys. So, mag-commute kami. Mag-commute kami papuntang San Francisco. Ita-try lang namin guys. Baho talaga. So mag-aantay kami ng train at papuntang Diridon Station papuntang San Francisco. Alright, update kami kayo guys. Pagyan na lang sa phone. Ayun na guys, nakasakay na kami ng train papunta Diridon. Pero mag-stop kami sa San Antonio metro station. And then mag-Uber lang papunta ng train station papunta San Francisco. Walang katao-tao guys. Kami lang dito. Nakakatakot. Hi guys, andito na kami sa San Jose, Diridon. Oh my God.
Daming walang bahay. Nakapa.
Asan? Asan? Asan pa?
Nandito na kami sa Diridon guys. Feeling ko gusto ko ng saridon.
Nakaka-excite naman siya.
Nakakalapad.
Sasakay na kami ng Caltrain.
Paranoid na siya.
Sakay na kami ng Caltrain guys. Papunta muna kami ng ticketing booth. First time namin talaga. Okay, bye! Caltrain. Hi guys, nakasakay na kami ng train and we're going to San Francisco na with Raiju. So it's easy pala guys, so alam na namin.
Card, mobile phone, or ticket ready for inspection. Customers without a valid fare will receive a notice of violation. Thank you for your cooperation. In the event of an emergency, please stay seated and listen carefully to the instructions from the train crew or emergency responders. If you are instructed to use an emergency exit, use caution and walk to the side of the tracks at least 15 feet from the closest rail.
Maraming kakusok. Ang sayang.
Now approaching San Carlos.
San Francisco.
Doors open. Check around your seat and the overhead luggage racks for your personal belongings and dispose of all trash. Watch your step when leaving the train. And on behalf of our entire crew, thank you for choosing
Dito na
Caltrain.
kami. guys, San Francisco na kami. From San Francisco.